the MP3 file and the hard disk. See, this is the input, this is the processor, and this is the output. See, this is the microphone. Microphone will send to input, and this is the mic, and this is the input processing device, that is called CPU, and this is output, that is hard disk. CPU is the brain of all computers and hold hold household and electric device. The CPU is also known as the microprocessor. Okay. The contents of the CPU. The content of CPU. The main two contents of CPU are ALU and CU. ALU means arithmetical logical unit, performed the mathematics and the logical operations from the input. CU means control unit, controls the operations and of the computer based on the instruction stored in the memory. Okay, in the memory chip which has been stored, that controls. See, in the memory form there are control memory, arithmetical, logical memory. This is CPU. CPU is divided into two. That two is known as memory, and one is input and another one is output. The control unit is the input which has been stored, and the arithmetical logic unit will be the output. Do you know the first microprocessor was introduced in Intel 004, introduced in 1971? This we have just learned in the last class. Memory.